Here we have developed a special little socket in both a 14mm and a 17mm size to accommodate the fuel lines. What's unique about the socket is the self-flexing ability. When you push here, the socket flexes and it goes around the corner and straight on to the injector line by pushing on this lever. With the self-flexing socket, it allows you to bring the tool right down, pivot it, and slide it straight onto the nut. There are existing special tools which consist of a 17mm kind of crow's foot socket and also a 14mm crow's foot socket. And with the restriction of the firewall only being inches away, it is very, very tight to get to install the socket in the vehicle and especially to get onto the socket and tighten and loosen the connections for the fuel lines. As you can see on the self-flexing socket, by pushing on this lever, the socket flexes on its own around the corner. This makes for a very easy installation in the tight quarters in the car. So when you install the socket onto here, you can see the distance away from the valve cover is very small. In addition to that, the self-flexing socket is stabilized with the two links, so there's no torque lost when torquing the lines going back together. Also included in the kit is the 17mm self-flexing socket. That same principle, push the lever, the socket flexes, and that goes on to the high pressure line coming from the pump. It also has a very little standoff compared to the factory tool. Here I'm using the socket in combination with a self-locking extension, which makes it really nice. You cannot drop the flexible socket and lose it into the engine compartment. Another important feature of the self-flexing socket is because it stays in alignment, the torque stays very accurate. Here we are verifying that with two torque wrenches, both set to 10 Newton meters, which happen to be the torque for the 14mm fuel line. Here you can hear the sound and the vibrator on both torque wrenches going off at exactly the same time. No torque is lost. To order the product in this video or to download specific instructions for this tool, visit agatools.com. There you'll also find all the other products that we have to offer. If you want to stay up to date on all our products and latest tools coming out, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.